Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set subtitles, text, opacity to opaque, semi-transparent, transparent on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Then scroll down to the Hearing section and tap on Subtitles and Captioning. In here, tap on Style, and then you can edit an existing style. So edit an existing style, or you can create a new style. So I'm going to edit an existing style. Tap on the Edit button. Then tap on the Information button right next to the style that you would like to edit. In here, go down to the Advanced section and tap on Text Opacity. Next, you can select Opaque, Semi-Transparent, or Transparent for your subtitle. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.